Hi guys, it's Teachers Labs. My name is Froll, and nowadays NFT markets been struggling a lot, I believe, especially Solana. On Earth, yeah, we got some Degen mints, Degen interesting, maybe kind of flips and really big flips, but I'm not really into it, and all of my bank was in Solana, and all NFTs I was looking for was in Solana as well. So Solana is kind of my main blockchain, and now on Solana we don't see anything really interesting. So I kind of changed my view to the markets, to the crypto markets, and to trading, especially trading futures and with leverage, looking to the graphs, looking for some patterns and all other stuff. So today we're gonna talking about how should you trade altcoins, but not about the technique or the analytics. This is kind of like a global view, what would not give you the bad signals or the wrong signals, and it could even help you to find a good path, the right path in your trading. Let's go. If you are on the trading view, I'm usually using trading view because this is just most comfortable for me. When I was trading stocks, this was like the best website that you can find, that you can use. And you can, if you're trading on the trading view, if you're looking graphs on trading view, you can click here on the watch list and details and scroll a bit down to the crypto. And of course, if you're trading any altcoin, you should look to the Bitcoin. This is just kind of rule because 98%, 98% of altcoins are going there where Bitcoin are going. But the difference between them is that like if Bitcoin fell for like 2%, altcoin will fall for 5, maybe even 10%. This depends on the altcoin and its fundamental value and its value, of course. So yeah, they're moving just as the Bitcoin does. So you're looking to the Bitcoin, of course, and if you see, for example, some red candles and you don't see anything like that on the altcoin you'll be trading, this is kind of good signal maybe for you, because you can open a short deal, and with time altcoin will move as the Bitcoin move. This is just for sure thing. And another interesting thing about that if you see any technical signals, like for example in here, Bitcoin fell really hard, right, for just like few hours at the night. It was around 6%, and then you see it's coming for us the double bottom right in here. We see double bottom. Usually a double bottom is turnover signal, really bullish signal, and possibly we will see like a takeover on here, and we will grow really hard after that, stop our falling and will stop to growing. And this what we saw right here. Also, like for a day, Bitcoin grow on for around, let's say like not from here, maybe just like from here. Yeah, you could catch around 5% on Bitcoin, 5% on Bitcoin, as I said. That's around like 10 or maybe even 15, 20% on any other altcoin. And you can use that if, for example, the graph you're looking for, like for example, Solana, or I don't know, maybe Dogecoin or something like that. Graphs in there are like that, and you don't see any signals, nothing, it's just flattening. And you see this really strong, we're talking only about really strong signs on the Bitcoin, or triangles possibly, right? If you see one, you just open a deal and the altcoin for sure will go there where Bitcoin goes. You can say that like that's it, I'm trading altcoin, I have my own strategy, some signals, I have the Bitcoin, and that's all I need looking for. But certainly there are one thing that you need to check if you're trading Bitcoin, for example, and which is follows the which Bitcoins are following for. And this is the American biggest indexes. Yeah, I think some people don't like it. Not much traders are really talking about it, that you should look to the American indexes if you are trading crypto. But this is our reality. And if S&P 500 are going down, or for example Nasdaq are going down, we will be falling in crypto as well. And this is our reality. You just have to accept it. And you don't need just to accept it, you also of course need to use it, because if for example you see you saw one red candle and then you see a half of another red candle, and then you open the Bitcoin graph and you don't see any red candles in there, you can open a short on your altcoin, because usually we will saw the continue of this red candle, and if Bitcoin does not react, it will respond a bit later. You can just think that you are really lucky that you can open a short and get yourself a free money, because if for example we see S&P falling for like let's say like 0.76%, that Bitcoin can fall on 1.5, maybe even 2%, possibly on this little falling. Yeah, we can check it like here for like for example S&P we see 0.98, let's say 1%. Then we scroll a bit down to the Bitcoin and we see 2%, right? If we see 2% on Bitcoin, then on some altcoins we can see 6% somewhere, right? I think this is the not best examples, but yeah, somewhere we can see even like 3%, somewhere 5, somewhere 6, right? And on your altcoin you can see even 5-6% on that. And if you're trading on leverage, if you're trading with futures, you can catch really lot of money on it. It could be possibly 300 or 400 or like $500 on this simple signal. That could not be wrong. So boys, this is pretty much it. Don't forget to check the global market indicators, because this is really important for all of us. Don't forget to check the Bitcoin, and of course good luck in your trading, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later.